PSLE 2020 Mathematics Paper 2. Time is 1 hour 30 minutes. There are 17 questions. Question 13. Mr. Lim had blue pens and red pens for sale. He sold 270 blue pens. 25% of the pens sold were red. A. How many blue pens and red pens did Mr. Lim sell altogether? So, if he sold 270 blue pen, this must be 75% of sold, because it's given 25% of sold is red pen. Therefore, total pen sold times 0.75 equals 270. Total pen sold equals 270 divided by 0.75. That gives us 360. Red pen sold is 360 minus blue pen equals 90. Hence, blue pen sold equals 270, red pen sold equals 90. B. He sold 40% of his pens. 30% of the pen left unsold were blue. How many red pens did Mr. Lim have at first? Total sold pens is 40%, which also gives 360 pens. Therefore, total pen is given by 360 divided by 0.4 equals 900 pen. And we are given 30% of the pens left unsold were blue. Unsold %30 blue, therefore 70% red. Unsold pens equals 900 minus 360 equals 540 pen. Therefore, unsold red pen equals 540 times 0.7 equals 378 pens. Total red pen equals the sold plus unsold. equals 90 plus 378. It gives us 468 red pens. Question 14. Andy saved a total $108 in coin in his coin box. 2/3 of all the coins saved were $1 coins. There were 3 times as many $1 coins as 50-cent coins. The remaining coins were 20-cent coins. How many coins did Andy save in his coin box altogether? Total number of coin. 2/3 is $1 coin. And we know that there were 3 times as many $1 coin as 50-cent coin, which means 2/3 multiplied by 1/3, because 50-cent coin is 1/3 of $1 coin in terms of the numbers. Which gives us 2/9. This is $1 coin. This is 50-cent coin. Number of 50-cent coin. Therefore, in order to have the common denominator, we multiply by 3, multiply by 3. That gives us 6/9. Hence, the number of 20-cent coin is given by 1/9. How did we get this? It is 9/9 minus 6/9 minus 2/9. That gives us 1/9. So, what we have here is we have $1 coin, we have 50-cent coin, has the value of $108. So 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. If 1 unit equals to 1 coin, therefore we have $1, it gives us $6, $1 and 20 cents. Adds up to $7.20. But this is not $108. So we must find how many multiples of $7.20 in order to give us $108. It gives us 15 times. So That means every unit is Question 15. Cassie hung some identical rings vertically as shown. The thickness of each ring was 1 cm. 1 cm. Overall is 9 cm. A. What was the distance from the top of the first ring to the bottom of the fourth ring? We can see this distance is 9 cm. Same for here. However, this is 2 cm. Therefore, this is 9 minus 2 equals 7 cm. So, for A, first ring is 9 cm. Second ring to fourth ring equals 3, 1, 2, 3 times 7 cm equals 21 cm. Therefore, distance from top of the first ring to the bottom of the fourth ring is 9 cm plus 21 cm equals 30 cm. B. The distance from the top of the first ring to the bottom of the last ring was 198 cm. How many rings did Cassie hang all together? B. First ring equals 9 cm. Subsequent ring equals 198 minus 9 cm equals 189 cm. Number of subsequent rings equals 189 divided by 7 equals 27 rings. Total number of rings equals 1 plus with this, it gives you 28. So answer A is 30 cm, answer B is 28 rings. Question 16. In figure 1, PQRS is a rectangular piece of paper. After 6 identical triangles are cut out from the paper, the remaining paper is shown in figure 2. The area of the remaining paper is 279 centimeters square. We have PQRS here, 15 cm, 25 cm given, figure 2 here. A. What is the area of each triangle that was cut out? Therefore, we must find area of PQRS minus the area of figure 2 and then divided by 6 to get the area of one triangle. Therefore, A. Area of figure 1 equals 15 cm multiplied by 35 cm equals 375 cm square. Area of 6 triangle equals area of figure 1 minus area of figure 2, which is 375 cm square minus 279 cm square, which gives us 96 cm square. Area of one triangle equals 96 cm square divided by 6, which gives us 16 cm square. B. The perimeter of figure 2 is 54 cm longer than the perimeter of figure 1. What is the perimeter of each triangle? So, we have perimeter of figure 2 equals perimeter of figure 1 plus 54 cm. So perimeter of figure 1 is 15 plus 25 plus 15 plus 25 equals 15 plus 25 plus 15 plus 25 add with 54, which gives you 134 centimeter. So from here, we know this perimeter is 134. But we are looking for perimeter of the triangles. Hence, we must subtract this length and this length to be subtract, and we need to add these two lengths. So, perimeter of 6 triangle is given by 134 minus. So this length is 25. This is 25 and 15. 25 minus 25 plus 15 plus 15, it gives us 114 cm. So perimeter of one triangle is 114 divided by 6 cm, which gives us 19 cm. Question 17. Mrs. Wu spent 1/6 of her money on a dress and 2 blouses. The dress cost 3 times as much as each blouse. Mrs. Wu spent 3/4 of her remaining money on a watch. She spent $220 more on the watch than on her dress. A. What fraction of Mrs. Wu's money was spent on each blouse? So, what was given here is, if Mrs. Wu 1 unit, 1/6 is spent on a dress and 2 blouse. The dress costs 3 times as much as each blouse. So if a blouse is a 1 unit, the dress will be 3 unit. So we have 1 here. So 1/6 is actually broken down into 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5 units here. So what we have here is 3/5 of 1/6 and 1/5, 1/5. Then Mrs. Wu spent 3/4 of her remaining money. The remaining money will be, if this is 1/6, so this will be 5, 6, 3/4 spent on a watch. Therefore, she left 1/4 remainder. And we know watch is dress in value plus 220 50 cent. So each blouse is, we have 1/6 multiplied by 1/5, which gives you 1/30 fraction of Mrs. Wu money spent on each blouse. B. How much money did Mrs. Wu have at first? B. We know dress equals 1/6 multiplied by 3/5, which gives you 3/30, which is the same as 1/10 of her original amount. Watch equals 5/6 times 3/4 equals 15/24. The value is watch equals dress plus 220 50 cent. This is in dollar. Therefore, 220 50 cent equals to be 15/24. This 15/24 watch minus dress, which is 110. which gives you 21/40. Hence, 1 unit equals to be 220.50 cents. 40/21 is $420.